In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down. Then access Privacy section and click on Permission Manager. Following that, tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Then click on one of your apps. I will go with Calendar and choose the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click on it and go back, I can see that Calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always just click on one of your apps, scroll all the way down and choose See All Permissions instead. Then manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!